Hey guys, it's me, Bro Cruz. Right now it's 8:44 and I'm about to go to sleep and I just took a bath. Today we're going to learn some lessons. Today is about fidget spinner line. If you have a fidget spinner that is old, you can take it and buy one that glows in the dark, and then you can put it in the old one and fidget. Because this one changed different colors. It's so cool. See? That's so cool. I just like it and like it. I like it. I just did it. If you like my video, one video I made last time, it's about row, give it a big thumbs up and watch it. And subscribe on my channel if you like it. Today, I'm going to show you this. This is my fidget spinner and I got the light. And so I put the light in here and I fidget and it had worked. If you like me, I can give you one of this. You are awesome. I just like that. Thank you and have a big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. Bye.